Hi, my name is Katie.
My name is Tamika,
My name is Kevin.
and this is why I love being a member.
And this is why I love being a member of the Children's Museum of the Upstate.
I'm a dad of 3. We love coming to the Children's Museum because it's a good place for our family to spend time together.
I'm a mom of 3 girls. We're homeschoolers, and we're also a medical family. I love that we can come here, and so much of the activities and exploration provided by the Children's Museum are in alignment with our homeschool curriculum.
Santi is a good time Charlie. He loves to come here and meet new kids. I don't have to execute a craft. I don't have to clean up. It's a break for me. It's fun for him.
How much time do you have? So much.
Learning how to play golf, or chess, even learn about the heart.
But he's really learned social skills here. He learns how to deal with conflict. He learns how to share. We came 2 times and we were like, well, if we come one more time, we've paid for the year. So we treated ourselves to a membership, a family pass, and we have never looked back.
We've been coming here since my oldest daughter was 2, and she's 10 now. A lot of core memories made here. So being a member was like a no-brainer for us.
There's 3 great stories of fun, interactive things that are inside, but it's also nice to go outside on a nice day.
There's just such a beautiful sense of community here. It's the highlight of living here for us, truly.
We love it. We love this place. It's phenomenal. I would say go, run. Run now.